Hey guys, this is Sydney Tillman, aka the Underground Celebrity, and I wanted to take this time to do my full testimonial so you guys can know why I decided to partner with Total Life Changes. Before I get into the real reason why, you need to know my background a little bit. Some of you guys know that I've been married with my husband for about 7 years, and we have no children. And the reason for that is in 2011, I was 3 months pregnant, and I had a what you would call most people know it as a tubal pregnancy, but it's called an ectopic pregnancy, and I had to have surgery in my stomach and have, the baby removed till I had a miscarriage. This also happened again in August of 2013, just last year. The same thing, 7 weeks pregnant, the same situation happened, but with both of those cases, I still gained weight as if I went full term with my pregnancy. So why is that important? For me, I've always been considered a little bit plus size. I was never like a size 6. I was always between like a 14, 16. And then these last couple of years, I've been at an 18, 20. And it's been so hard for me to lose that weight, especially having surgery. And then, it's not really something you can control. That weight on top of what I've already dealt with my weight. It was just so much. And so I had tried so many different things, different products, different, we'll go work out and things like that. And even though I may have had short-term success, it didn't last long. And I was appreciative about, the changes that I saw in myself, but it wasn't long-term success. And so, about, the end of October, somebody that's a mutual friend on Facebook, I saw her post about this tea. And I was like, someone just told me to try it. Hey, give it a try. You tried so many other things, so, go ahead and do it. So I ordered the tea. In my first 5 days, I lost 4 pounds. And then after 12 days, I lost a total of 7 pounds. And I took before and after pictures, so I knew it was real. And the thing that got me was nothing else worked for me, especially in my stomach area where I had my surgery and stuff. I mean, nothing else worked. So to see my stomach go down, to see my arms go down, just my face, I still had a puffiness from being pregnant. So to see my face go down, I was just so amazed. And so I knew then that, hey, this was something different. I need to become a member, and that's what I decided to do. I've brought several people on with me, and they are seeing amazing results, and I feel so blessed to have found this opportunity. And the reason why I decided to make this video is because I pride myself on being very transparent. However, sometimes certain situations in life make us, it makes us not want to talk about certain things. But I had to learn that I'm not the only person or the only woman that has dealt with these things. And there are millions of women that have been in my shoes. And so, they may be going through the same thing or worse than what I've experienced. And so instead of just holding that back and keeping that in, I decided to let you guys know I'm human. There's nothing special about me. I've lost 15 pounds in 30 days drinking this tea. So even with the things that I've had to overcome, it worked for me, and it can definitely work for you. I suggest you take the Money Tea Challenge and do the 5 pounds, 5 days with Total Life Changes. They changed my life, and they've changed the lives of so many others. And just get back with the person that showed you this video, unless I personally showed it to you myself. And we're all in this together. Weight loss, it affects people for various reasons, and there's nothing to be ashamed about it, but we're doing something about it now. I took out the time 30 days ago to try something new, to make a change, and I kept my options open, and it's changed my life. So you guys, like I said again, get back with the person that showed you this video. I love you guys. Bye.